Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about animals. So let's start. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is a tiger with its kid. This is a tiger. These are lions. These are lions. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a kangaroo with its kid. This is a kangaroo. This is a pig. This is a pig. This is a polar bear. This is a polar bear. This is a rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. This is a chimpanzee. This is a chimpanzee. This is a squirrel. This is a squirrel. This is a bear. This is a bear. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. This is a baboon. This is a baboon. This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a leopard. This is a leopard. This is a hyena. This is a hyena. This is a rat. This is a rat. This is a fox. This is a fox. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is an otter. This is an otter. This is a mongoose. This is a mongoose. These are bulls. These are bulls. This is a yak. This is a yak. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.